If you're struggling with losing weight or belly fat and you're wondering if it's actually possible to reduce it, well, you are not alone. Many of us face this challenge, but today we are starting off on 1 week journey to reduce that fat. It's exercises you can do right at home. See, ladies, see. This challenge we're about to start, it's not about quick fixes. It is about starting a healthy habit that can carry you on even when that week is over. So, are you ready to see some real results? Now let's dive in. First up on our list is jumping jacks. You know, this particular exercise, it's actually perfect for getting your heart rate up and for warming up the body. Now, jumping jacks will actually help your cardiovascular endurance and it tones the muscle. You need to also understand that when you do these jumping jacks, it actually works on the entire body while engaging the core particularly. Now, let's have 30 seconds of jumping jacks to kick off this workout. Let's go. Next, we have the elbow plank. Planking is actually a very key exercise for building stability in your core. This exercise will not only strengthen your abs but also strengthen your back, your legs and arms. All you need to do in this exercise is actually to hold yourself in a plank position for 30 seconds. Make sure to keep your body straight and your core tight. Now let's have this exercise. Next up, we have what we call high knees. This exercise is fantastic because it works wonders for your belly. You also need to understand that high knees get your heart pumping and it engages your entire body as you lift up your knees to your chest. So we are going to go all out for 30 seconds again. Don't forget to keep your core engaged. Now let's get to work. Amazing. You are all doing so well. Next, we'll tackle the Russian twist. This particular exercise targets the muscles on the sides of your abdomen. You guessed right, your belly fat. What we're going to do in this exercise is to sit on the ground, lean back slightly, and twist from side to side. You can hold a weight if you want, or you know what? Just use your body weight. We're going to do this for 30 seconds as well and feel that burn down there. Yes. Now, let's have it. Moving forward, let's go with flutter kicks. This exercise focuses on your lower abs, and I know this is one area many of us want to lose weight on. Flutter kicks involve lying on your back and alternating your legs up and down. This movement engages your hips so well. So in this exercise, you're going to do it for 30 seconds as well, but ensure your abs are working. let's get to work again. Now let's move to the mountain climbers. This exercise is an absolute killer for you ladies because actually it targets your abdominal muscles while you're also working on your arms and leg. To do this mountain climber, you're going to start by staying in a plank position. Bring your knees towards your chest one at a time. You're going to do it for 30 seconds and trust me, you're going to enjoy this explosive move. Let's get to it. So we have 2 more workouts and we are done. Now let's jump into leg tuck-ins. This exercise is all about tightening up your core and engaging those abs because we want to burn the belly fat, so we need to engage the abs so well. Start by sitting on the floor with your legs extended, then pull your knees in towards your chest. We're doing it for 30 seconds. Don't forget, all our exercises are just 30 seconds. We'll do it for 30 seconds and we'll move to the final one. Now let's go. Alright, so finally for this challenge we have what we call bicycle crunches. You see this particular exercise you're about to do, it is one of the best exercises for your entire core. Yes, you heard me right, it is one of the best. So what you're going to do, you will lie on your back, bring your knees up and alternate your elbow to your knee. Just act as if you're riding a bicycle. You know that feeling, right? Just behave as if you're riding a bicycle. Yes. And the more you do this, the more you target your upper and your lower abs. So we're focusing on doing it again for 30 seconds. And please do engage your core because that is where the magic really, really happens. Now let's go there. I want you to remember that losing weight takes time and consistency. This is just the first week. Also, make sure that after each workout, you drink water and do some light stretching to cool down. Be sure to come back to this video every day and trust me, your weight will reduce with time. If you enjoyed this and you want to get more valuable health tips and information, hit the like button. Also, leave a comment below sharing your progress and asking any question that you might have. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future contents. Thank you and do stay active, stay positive, keep pushing because you've got this. I love you so much. Bye.